Hi, good morning. This is Navanita from HDFC Ergo. I'm here to present you with our product called My Health Suraksha. I'll explain you all the features, and after that you can have your questions ready for me for answering your questions, right? So here we go with our presentation. In This is our My Health Suraksha product of HDFC Ergo. Here we have these features called medical expenses covered, including mental health, home health care, post hospitalization up to 180 days, some insured rebound. I'll just read up the features, and in my second slide I'll explain you what are all this. We have another feature called daycare procedures, which is right now 586 in our list. We have tier wise premiums. We have air ambulance. We have preventive health checkup booster every year. We also have something called the health fitness active, which is discount, which while renewing, the insured gets this discount. So let's understand what is there in our plan. Our basic sum insured starts from 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakhs. If you look at our product, it is from Silver Smart, we have Gold Smart, we have Platinum Smart. There are three categories of our health suraksha. In Silver Smart, we have 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. In Gold Smart, we have 7.5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and 15 lakhs of SI. And if anyone wish to take a Platinum Smart, he gets from 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 75 lakhs. In our hospitalization cover, as I was narrating in my previous slide that the features, now I'll explain you broadly what are the features. Under hospital cover, we will be having medical expenses, which is covered under medical coverage. Will have medical expenses. It is a part of all our products, which is Silver Smart, a part of Gold Smart, also a part of Platinum Smart. So we also have room rent. We have room rent categorization. Here it is always on actuals. There are no capping on our product. Anyone who takes any of our product segments that I told you, Silver Smart, Gold Smart, or Platinum Smart, he or she is eligible to choose any room that he or she wishes to. Also, in case of ICU, if the person takes an ICU product, then also the ICU part is also on actuals. It is not on capping. There is no capping on ICU. ICU is, of course, we know, intensive care unit. So before we proceed, I just wanted to give you a brief on insurance. Why we need insurance? First and foremost thing, the insurance or health insurance has become so important in this times of emergency like COVID, like a coronavirus, where we need to have health insurance, because the requirement is not only the rising medical expenses but rising illness due to lifestyle disorder. Maximum of us are working from home today, and we also have least time to do exercise, thus causing us lifestyle disorders. Even if we are not reaching at the age of 60, even as young as 30 years, we are having obesity, we are having problem on heart diseases, we are having lung disorder, we are having cholesterol issues, because our lifestyle has become like that. So that is the reason, that is one of the biggest and primary reason why we should look at buying a health insurance. Secondly, we must look at from the perspective of, if we buy early the health insurance, the better, the sooner we buy, the better for us. Because if I buy at an age of 25 years, of course, when I reach 30 years, I will not have any existing disorder. And if I even have existing disorder, my 4 years has been covered under health insurance. Thus, it enables us to get the coverages from 4th years itself. As we all know that whenever we buy a health insurance, there's a waiting period applicable for every health insurance that we buy. So if we purchase early, the premium is also low, and is also going to take these things into account, which is the waiting period, which is particularly for surgical treatments for specific illness disorders, for which there is a waiting period of 2 years and 4 years. So if we buy it early, we are covered from after 4 years. This is another major reason. And of course, in an era of corona, in an era of COVID, we would like our health insurance to take care of our coronavirus. Of course, our product, that is My Health Suraksha, is definitely going to cater to this coronavirus. For this, we are not going to charge you extra, and for this, we will cover you, right? So let's move ahead and understand the product. So as we were discussing on the product features, like we have Silver Smart, we have Gold Smart, we have Platinum Smart. There are three segments under Health Suraksha because we have 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs under silver. Under gold, if anyone is willing to purchase a product which is more than 5 lakhs, yes, of course, it would be 7.5 to 15 lakhs. In case the requirement is more than that, the premium will be different, and of course the SI will also be different. So for Platinum Smart, it is 20, 25 lakhs, 50 and 75 lakhs, right? So in our hospital coverages, we cover mental illness, we cover medical expenses, we cover room rent, we cover ICU, we cover home health care. So under medical expenses, there is nothing called this is the amount that I will pay and this is not the amount that I will not pay. There is no capping on it. That is what medical expenses caters to. We cover everything except the non-medical expenses, right? And along with hospitalization cover, there comes the room rent, wherein the person, whatever the insured wish to take, if he wants to go for any of the room categorization of the hospital, he can do so, because there also we are going to pay on actuals. There are no capping on it. Even for ICU, which is the intensive care unit, that is also going to be on actuals. There is nothing on capping, no capping. There is something under medical expenses. We have medical health care. Anyone who is having mental illness, for any hospitalization that is required and that is given by the medical health practitioner, that the insured needs to be hospitalized, yes, we cover that for all our segments, silver, gold and platinum, right? Next, we have home healthcare. This is very unique feature in itself. This is the biggest USP of our product, because in home healthcare, we are asking the insured to get the cashless sitting at home. You do not need to visit any hospital. You get the cashless services sitting at home. Next, we have domiciliary hospitalization, wherein there are no beds, like a pandemic like coronavirus, where there are no rooms available, or there are no beds available in the hospital. So what happens is the customers or the insureds are asked to sit at home, stay in quarantine for 14 days and get yourself treated. So doctors come and sit at and gives the treatment under domiciliary, because there are no beds, plus the virus or the effect of that disease before getting into hospital. Whenever I am speaking to a doctor, I'm seeking advice from a doctor, and that is 60 days. And there is a post hospitalization, which is 180 days, which is like 8 months. If you consider a pre and post, that makes it 8 months. And this is one of the biggest USP of our product. Next, we have daycare procedures. This is covered in our list. We are covering 586 daycare procedures. We have road ambulance. We are covering road ambulance for 2000 under silver smart, 3500 under gold smart, and 3500 under platinum, up to the SI of 50 lakhs and up to the SI of 75 lakhs. It would be around 15,000, right? So we have organ donor expenses covered under organ donor expenses, like a kidney transplant or a liver transplant that happens. For that, we pay to the insured for the organ that is being donated by his relative. We pay that as well. Alternative treatments, here we talk about alternative treatments are Ayush, which is your Ayurvedic, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy. This is what is alternative treatment. This are covered. This is the maximum, means the SI, 100% of SI is what we give. We have air ambulance cover, which is not a part of Silver Smart, but it's a cover. It's a part of platinum as well as for gold. For gold, we will cover 2 lakhs, and for platinum, we'll cover for 5 lakhs. There's a recovery benefit wherein the customer stays in the hospital for more than 10 days, and on 11th day, the customer gets 5,000 in case he is holding Silver Smart with us. In case the insured is holding Gold Smart, he will be getting 15,000. And in case it is Platinum Smart, the insured will be getting 25,000. Minded, this will only be given to the customer on the yearly basis, and once in a policy year. And of course, when the insured had stayed in the hospital more than 10 days, then only this benefit will trigger. We have something called sum insured rebound. Here what we are saying is you're paying for 3 lakhs SI and you're getting coverage of 6 lakhs. We are giving you the restoration benefit. Rebound will be available to all insured person for all claims, subject to a condition that a single claim is in a policy year cannot exceed the sum of the basic sum insured and if any cumulative bonus is there. So in case any customer has taken 3 lakhs SI, then he is eligible for 6 lakhs. But no, he's going to pay premium for 3 lakhs, and this 3 lakhs is an add-on. And in my later slides, I'll explain you what is covered, what is a part of, what are the diseases that will cover in sum insured rebound. We have renewal benefits. Any insured who has taken the policy with us, he is eligible for cumulative bonus, which is like 10% every claim free year. So on 11th year, there will be 100% of the CB that customer will be getting for Silver Smart. For Gold Smart also same thing, will give 10% and maximum 100% on 11th year. And on Platinum Smart, it would be 25% maximum, which will be 200% if he is having Platinum Smart with us. But note that every year it has to be claim free. Without claim, he will get this. In case customer has a claim, then of course we will deduct last year CB, and we will again continue giving the CB, which is 10%, 10%, 10% every year. Preventive health checkup booster is there. This means that we will be preventing the customer from getting any serious illness, any serious disorder, any serious disease. So for this, we will be asking the customer to go for a checkup, which will happen every renewal, irrespective whether he has taken a claim or he has not taken a claim, right? So this would be of course every year, and it is same applicable for all the 3 plans that we have: silver, gold and platinum. We also offer a renewal health active benefit, which is like, for example, I have a health insurance policy wherein I will have I'll be using a gadget called a Fitbit or a Google Bit or an Apple Fitbit, wherein we will be wearing a MI band or a Fitbit band, and I'll be exercising, or the insured will be exercising or losing out calories or walking or jogging, basis which entire year he will be eligible for renewal discounts, right? So we move on to our next slide, which speaks about the features that I just now spoke to you. Medical expenses. In medical expenses, we include room rent, physician charges, medicines, investigation charges. There are no sub limits, and of course we are also covering mental health care coverage, as I explained you in my last slide. We have home health care, as I told you, the option to choose sitting at home from our network service provider. But please note, these are the 9 diseases for which the insured can get these services at home. First would be your gastroenteritis, chemotherapy, COPD management, bronchopneumonia, pancreatitis, hepatitis, respiratory tract infection, dengue, fever management. These are the 9 diseases for which we will be giving you home health care. Kindly note, home health care is applicable right now in Mumbai, Pune, Gujarat. We have it in Kolkata, and we also have it in Hyderabad, right? And of course Delhi. Finally, we were speaking about pre and post hospitalization. Anyone who takes a policy with us, of course, he will be covered for 8 months. 8 months including pre-post hospitalization, which is 2 months pre, and remaining 6 months is post. So that is equivalent to 8 months, right? So we have daycare procedures, which is 586 daycare procedures are covered. Road ambulance, we are going to, as I was explaining you in my last slide, what are the limits for smart, for silver smart, for gold smart, for platinum smart. This is actually an ambulance which transfers you from your residence to hospital. Nearest hospital is what road ambulance is. We have organ donor expenses, wherein we are paying the harvesting, we are paying to the insured for the harvesting of the organ from his related to him. We talk about recovery benefit, which always starts after the insured is hospitalized for inside the hospital more than 10 days. From 11th day onwards, this is going to happen, right? Next is the alternative treatments. As I explained you, Ayush benefits, which is Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy. All this we will be covering all hospitalization without any restriction, right? Then we have air ambulance, which is expenses for ambulance transportation in an airplane or a helicopter for any emergency health condition which require immediate hospitalization, ambulance transportation, right? But note, this is not available for silver smart. This is only applicable for gold and platinum. Next, we were talking about rebound. Here we were just, let me explain you what it will cover. See, in a rebound, what happens is we will be considering treatments for chemotherapy, dialysis. Sum insured rebound will only be applicable once in a lifetime of the policy, once in the entire lifetime of the policy. If I have taken it in the first year for chemotherapy and dialysis, we will the customer or the insured will not be eligible for same disease, which is chemo and dialysis, for next year and for the entire lifespan of the policy. That is what is not going to be covered under recovery, under rebound. So in rebound, as I was talking to you, we will add to the sum insured an amount equivalent to the last claim amount, subject to a maximum of basic sum insured on subsequent hospitalization of the insured during policy year. So every year, whenever we will be adding on rebound to customers SI, customer first need to claim subject to all the subject to condition that a single claim in a policy shall not or cannot exceed the sum of the basic sum insured. If you look at the example, if you see, there is a 3 lakh sum insured for this customer and 30,000 is his cumulative bonus. Right? So here we are saying total CI and CB is 3 lakh 30,000. The rebound balance is 3 lakhs, right? So first year rebound will never hit. Rebound will only hit from the next claim, right? So here, if you look at it, it shows 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is the cumulative, and total CI and so total CB and sum insured is 3 lakh 30,000. Admissible claim amount is 2 lakh 50,000. So that makes it we pay 2 lakh 50,000 and sum insured rebound is 3 lakhs. So what happens is in the 6 month when the customer is when the 6 month the customer hits for a claim wherein the sum insured that is remaining out of 3 lakhs is 50,000, because we have because the insured has already claimed for 2 lakh 50,000. 50,000 is what is pending from his SI and 30,000 is what is remaining from the cumulative bonus. So that makes it 80,000, and in 6 months the customer has hit for a 1,40,000 claim. So first we will definitely consider 80,000, which is 50 plus 30, and then after that we will pay the 1,40,000. So from some rebounds that is there 3 lakhs, we will be paying from there. So that makes it 60, and that makes it 1,40,000 is what we will pay. And remaining CB, that is remaining, there will be no CB, there will be no SI eligible for that for the next claim. But of course there is a rebound balance that is available. The rebound balance shows 2,40,000 is what is eligible. So on the 9th month when the claim hits for 2,50,000, what happens is the unutilized rebound CB is rebound SI is 2,40,000. So out of this 2,40,000, the insured has hit for 2,50,000 claim. So 10,000 is what is remaining from the CB, from the SI that is unutilized from rebound. So what happens in the 11th month? There is a 70,000 admissible claim amount that has hit for the insured. We are going to pay 000 because there is no CB, there is no SI, there is no rebound SI. Everything is utilized. So what happens is we have actually given 3 lakhs as rebound SI and sum insured of 3 lakh plus 30,000. Total payable amount that we have done is 6,30,000. So we have understood that we pay for 3 lakhs, we get benefit for 3 lakh more. And 30,000, why I am saying here as an example, because the customer is having CB. That's the reason it is 3,30,000 CB plus SI, and rebound balance is 3 lakhs. So that makes it 6,30,000, right? So we now move on to our preventive health checkup booster, which, as I was telling you, that there will be some tests that will be happening irrespective of claim, or there's a claim, whether there's a claim or no claim, this will happen. This will trigger every year for the insured. There's a cumulative bonus which I explained you in my previous slide, Silver Smart, and for Gold Smart it is 10% without taking a claim any year, and that will accumulate into 100%. And in case he has opted for a Platinum Smart, then it would be 25% every year, and on the 11th year it would be 200% if the customer is having Platinum Smart. And of course, I have explained you the health active fitness discount, health incentive, and wellness service. Let's move on to the discount percentage. As I told you, if you are doing steps or walking, or you're losing out calories, and you do it for every week, every month, then what happens is, if you have done it for 26 months, you are eligible for 6% discount on your renewal premium. If you have done it above 36 weeks, then you are going to get 10% discount on your renewal premium. Note that this is only supposed to be recorded through your MI band, Fitbit, all this. Until unless you wear this, and until unless you do this jogging and steps and calorie loss, this will not be accounted for. Next, we have health incentive, like for example, people who are suffering from diabetes or blood pressure or cholesterol or some of the other obesity, or whatever reasons people might be suffering from disorders, ailments. So we consider them in our policy, giving a loading to that insured. So to maintain good health for the insured, what we do is we incentivize the insured, stating that the insured should be taking this policy, and in case we have taken the policy from HDFC ERGO, we will load you. There will be premium, there will be loading. And in the subsequent year, if you keep yourself fit by doing activities like, as I told you, running, jogging and everything, and keep on pouring in all this data through the app, which is our health, which is our HDFC app, what happens at the end of the year, while renewal before 90 days, we will take out the data and we will see what amount of exercises you have done, what amount of blood pressure controlling or cholesterol control has happened, looking at your medical documents, looking at your diet. We will then give you discount of 50% on the entire loading. If we have loaded you 30%, then we'll give you a loading of 15%. But please ensure that this happens every year. First year you have taken the policy, first year you know you have a loading, you have exercised, you have controlled it, and the second year you have not controlled it. So on second year, what happens again, the loading will go up to 30%, which was there in my first while taking the policy. So to maintain good health, to get incentive on this, you have to carry on this kind of regime so that you get discounts, right? Next, we are talking about wellness services, wherein we were talking about this is an app which is applicable to any insured who takes the policy from us. He or she can take this wellness app. It is the HDFC ERGO services. Whenever you go to Play Store, download this, you get this wellness services. Now what happens is, once you have downloaded this in your phone, whether it's Android or in Apple, you get this benefits of health coach, which will take care of your diet, which will take care of your disease, which will take care of your nutrition, which will take care of your weight. Then there are wellness, online wellness, that is discounts are there on OPD, on pharmacy, on DC diagnostic centers, all the specialized things are there. For this, you were supposed to be paying some 1000 rupees to a dietitian, but your app will take care of all this. So this is another renewal benefit, or this is another benefit when you take a health suraksha policy from us, right? So we were talking about tier wise premium, very important thing. Previous in this health suraksha, what happens is whenever anyone is taking a premium for tier 1, we have segregated the premium in 3 tiers: 1A, 1B and tier 2. Under 1A, what happens is Delhi NCR is there. Under tier 1B, we have Mumbai Suburban, Navi Mumbai, Pune, Surat, Ahmedabad and Vadodara. And finally, we have rest of India, that is east location and south locations. If anyone is taking tier 2, he wants to take medical treatment or hospitalization benefits under 1A, he will have to pay a copay of 20%. But if he is residing in India, in Kolkata, and wants to take Delhi NCR tier, he can definitely take it. There will be no copay applicable. Same for people who are in Mumbai but wish to take a upgraded tier, he can definitely take. Then there will be no copay applicable of 20%. Two things to note: copay will only be applicable if the customer or the insured wish to move from his existing tier, that is tier 2 to tier 1B, or from tier 2 to tier 1A, or from tier 1B to tier 1A. Whenever there is an upgrade, there is a copay of 20%. This is one thing to note. And second thing is, there will be there will be two exceptions for this copay and room rent. So for example, if anyone is opting for a hospitalization with a room rent up to 2500, there will be no copay. Say for example, I have been to Delhi, I'm residing in Kolkata, my policy is of Kolkata, and I have taken the policy, I'm taking the hospitalization in Delhi. I have met with an accident. So for that, I have been hospitalized in Delhi because I have gone there for a training. So for that, I will not have to pay any copay. First thing. Second thing is, if my room rent over there in Delhi is 2500, there is no there is no 20% copay. So we understood the copay concept here. Exceptions to copay is when you have taken a room rent which is equivalent to 2500, or when there's an emergency situation like a accident has happened and you have traveled from your native to a different tier. From tier rest of India, you have gone to tier 1A or tier 1B and you have met with an accident. For that, you don't pay any copay. That's it for on tier parts. And then there is this free medical checkups that are there for like from the age of 45 46 onwards to 55. There will be tele underwriting that happens. There is a telecalling that will do, and will understand the process of the customer, what ailment or what disease or what disorder he is going through. And from the age of 56, there will be pre-medicals or pre-medical checkup or medical test, whatever you say, that happens. And in case there is no pre-existing disease, then it will of course shoot up from 56. In case there is pre-existing disorder or pre-existing disease from the age of 35, of course PPC will happen, right? And finally, we have this preventive health checkup booster. These are the tests that are applicable: chest x-ray, 2D core stress test, PSA for males, which is of course a cancer related test for males, pap smear for females, again this is a cancer related test for females, medical examination is there, complete blood count, urine, fasting, blood sugar, serum, creatinine, lipid profile, ECG are all these tests that we do. So we cover up to 19 relationship in an individual policy. So this is all about our health suraksha. In case of any questions or doubts, please let me know. Well, in case of any questions, please let me know. Okay, I could see there are questions coming in. I have a question regarding rebound. Will rebound be eligible for the treatment of the same disease within the same year? Yes, absolutely. This is the benefit of rebound. In case anyone is suffering for any disease and he's hospitalized in the same year, and that same particular person having the same disorder again after 6 months, after 3 months, yes, we will be covering that. I guess this answers the questions. Whoever has asked this question. Yes, Manoj, right? Next question is coming from Satish. I have taken a policy under group health insurance assurance plan for 10 lakhs through Canara Bank, also preferred account holder. Clarity, I am not able to understand what is it. See, any group policy that you have taken from any banks, that cannot be clubbed under My Health Suraksha. But yes, in case you are having a normal health suraksha or a health policy or a mediclaim policy with National, Max, Apollo, Future, that can be clubbed with us. Next question is, what is the maximum sum insured available? Is it from Sandeep? Yes. So Sandeep, if you're asking me the max sum insured, if you are it depends on which plan you're opting. In Health Suraksha we have three segments: one is a silver, one is a gold, and one is a platinum. So under silver you can take 3 to 5 lakhs. Under gold you have from 3 lakhs from silver. One second. For gold you have 7.5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and 15 lakhs, and under platinum you have 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, and 75 lakhs. Right, Sandeep? Hope this answers your question. Is 3 or 5 policy? Not sure. Omar, what is the question? Is 3 or 5 policy? Not able to understand the question. Is 3 or 5 policy? Like you can take 3 lakhs or you can also take 5 lakhs under Silver Smart. If you wish to take Gold Smart, it would be 7.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. If you wish to take Platinum, it would be from 20, 25, 50, and 75 lakhs. That is what I can explain you. Yes, any other questions coming in? Okay, here's another question. What is the entry age from Karthik? Yes, the entry age is from 18 years and it's a lifetime renewal. This is again one of the biggest USP of our products. Okay, next question, please. Omar, the question is 3 or 5 years policy is there. Acha, even in case you wish to take a policy, you can take the policy for 2 years, 1 year, 2 years, and there is nothing called 5 years policy. We don't have 5 year policy, right? Any more questions? Acha, there is a question from Rajiv Juneja who wants to understand. Please indicate approx premium for 25 years, female for gold and premium smarts. Well, I will just give you the details. Just a minute. Rajiv, irrespective of whether it is female or whether male, the premium will be same for both male and female. Just giving you just give me a minute. I'll just give you the premium. You require for Platinum Smart, so for 25 lakhs. Okay, so for Platinum Smart, for 25, but you haven't mentioned me whether it is for 1A or 1B, whatever. I will give you for full details. Fine. For Platinum Smart, for 1 year, for one adult, for 25 years, it is 23,062 rupees. For 1A, for 1B, it is 18,643 rupees. For rest of India, it under same age 25 years for Platinum, for 1 year it is 17,128. Right? Hope Rajiv this answers your question. Next question is coming up from, what will be the loading in premium for pre-existing disease like high BP? Wherever the answer to this is, it will all depend on your medical, it will all depend on your medical well-being. For example, how long you are into this BP, how long you have this medical ailments, what are the medicines that you are taking currently, and uh, like what is the BP count right now. Basis that only we'll be able to tell you what would be the loading. Fine. Want to know about corona policy? We don't have any separate corona policy in our health suraksha. In this product only we will cover corona or COVID-19 from 30 days onwards. Once you take the policy, there's a 30 days waiting period. From 31st day onwards we cover this. Fine. Please, is there any premium escalation in next year if one takes claim in a year? Well, in case your age group is, say for example, your age, if there is no change in the age slab, there will be no increase of premium. Fine. So next question is, madam, is portability available? Yes, portability is available. You can definitely port. And let me explain you, Satish, nahi, Rahul, the premium escalation next year is, let me tell you, our premium is 0 to 17, 18 to 35, 36 to 45. So in case anyone has taken the policy in the year 36 and he is 37 next year, of course there will be no increase in premium. Fine. So 36 to 45 is premium is constant. So you pay 19,430 in 36th year. In 37th also you pay 19,430. 30 till 45 year you pay 19,430 for platinum product. I'm saying. Fine. So age slab is for 36 to 45 or 46 to 50. Fine. That answers your question, I am sure. Next is your next question is your next question is what is it? Vaibhav asking for is this family floater? My wife and son covered in this policy? Yes, Vaibhav. Family floater plan is there. Husband, wife, and child, all of them will become a plan. Will become a plan of the floater. Just a second, please. Hello, hello. হ্যাঁ বলুন। হ্যাঁ 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 এসে গেছেন তো? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আসুন, আপনাকে আমি ফোন করছি, আপনাকে ফোন করছি। হ্যাঁ, so the next question coming from Jatin Vora, what is meant by recovery benefit? What is the difference from post hospital? It's a very good question indeed. Jatin, recovery benefit starts for a person who is in the hospital for 10 days and he remains there in the hospital more than 10 days. Then only the recovery benefit will shoot up. That is 5,000 is what we will give on and above your hospitalization expenses. 5,000 we will pay, right, on 11th day, and if he remains till 15th day we will pay 5,000 as a lump sum amount to the insured. And how it is different from post hospitalization is post hospitalization starts after you have been discharged from your hospital and you are still under consultation with the doctor from for 6 months, which is 180 days, right? Next question coming from Jatin again. Further, all plans you're talking is basic sum assured. Is there any top up facility in that? Jatin, we do have a separate policy for top up. You can definitely log into our website. You can see that this is a health suraksha smart plan. We also have super top up that is available in our website. Manoj, there's a question. I have Silver Suraksha family floater plan for my parents. I am planning to buy family floater policy for myself and wife. Will there be any discount for purchasing second policy? Okay, Manoj, let me explain you. First, explain me, is this a family? You just now told me I have Silver Suraksha family floater plan for my parents. Okay, I'm planning to buy family floater policy gold plan for myself and wife. Will there be any discount? Well, we give discounts only when it is individual plan and more than 2 members. If you are willing to take individual plans for yourself and for your wife, yes, you are eligible for a 10% discount. And of course, there are long-term discounts, which is there for 2 years, you get a discount of 7.5. And if you take the policy for 3 years, you'll get a discount of 12.5%, right? Any more questions coming up? Yeah, there's another question that has come up from Chilo. Hi, I am 23, father 54, mother 48. Can be covered in single policy. I'm so sorry. You can definitely take a policy under individual plan. It cannot be a floater plan, right? Because and also I would like to know whether this 23-year-old son, is he a dependent child or he is working? If he is working, then he will have to take a separate policy and father and mother will be taking a floater plan, right? Any more questions coming up? Shakti, any more questions coming up? Okay. Okay, there's a question from Rama Lakshmi. How much is the minimum amount? The minimum amount starts from 3 lakhs onwards. Minimum amount means SI. There is a question from Rahul Sharma. Under what condition HDFC can reject renewal of the policy? This is of course not a part of our plan, because renewal we don't reject at all. 99% of the cases go through. Can we take policy that is with my parents as well as I'm 23 from Chilo? Yes, as I told you, I need to know whether 23-year-old is a dependent child or he's working or he's in a job. In case he's in a job, he has to take a separate policy and parents can definitely take a floater plan. Rajiv, please indicate. I have already indicated the premium for Platinum Smart for 25 years, female, male, whatever. Well, all the questions are answered. So thank you so much.